Hello everyone. This is the Disha Kansara here, and my SEP ID is 600011980003. And today I'm going to explain the applications of precision diode with the op-amp. So first of all, my aim is to find the frequency response of the basic and modify half-wave rectifier using precision diode. Second one is the frequency response of full wave rectifier using precision diode. And third one is to design the positive and negative clipper circuit with plus and minus VREF. So let's see the first basic short information about the um, half wave rectifier. So yeah, this is the circuit of the basic half wave rectifier, which is so it is not to, which is commonly used. So when the input becomes negative, the operational amplifier runs an open loop, and as there is no feedback signal through the diode for a typical operational amplifier with the high open loop gain, the output saturates. And if the if the input then becomes the positive again, the op-amp has to get out the saturated state. Therefore, before the positive amplification can take place again. So this is the modified half-wave rectifier. The modified version of the basic half-wave rectifier is given in this circuit. So this fixed the measure issues with the basic half-wave rectifier as state the above. So in this case, when the input is greater than 0, the D1, the diode D1 is off and D2 is on, and the output is 0 because the other end of R2 is connected to the virtual ground, and there is no current through the R2 when the input is less than 0. The D1 is on and D2 is off. So output is like the input with an amplification of minus R2 by R1, and the input output relationship is the following. This circuit has benefit that op-amp never goes into the saturation, but its output must changes by the two diode voltages drop each time the input signal crosses the 0. Hence, the slew rate of the operational amplifier and its frequency response gain will limit high frequency performance, especially for the low signal levels, although an error less than 1% and 100 kilohertz if is possible. So this is the full wave rectifier. This is the circuit of the full wave rectifier. Um, for the positive half cycle of the sinusoidal input, the output of the first op-amp will be negative, and the diode D1 and D2 will be forward bias and reverse bias respectively. So the output of the first op-amp is connected to the resistor R4, this resistor, and it is connected to the inverting terminal of the second op-amp. The voltage present at the non-inverting terminal of second op-amp is 0 volts, and so the second op-amp with resistors R4 and R5 is act as an inverting amplifier. Therefore, the output of the full wave rectifier will be the positive half cycle of for the positive half cycle of the sinusoidal input. So let's see the clipper circuit. Then this is the circuit of clipper. So a circuit which removes the positive parts of the input signal, it is performed by the using op-amp with the rectifier diode. So the clipping level is determined by the reference voltage Vref, and which is should less than input range of the op-amp. The output voltage has portions of the positive half cycle above Vref clipped off. During of positive half cycle of the input, the diode D1 conducts only until the Vin is equal to Vref. This happens because when the Vin is less than reference voltage and the op-amp at 0 volts of the op-amp becomes the negative device D1 into the conduction when the D1 conducted closed feedback loop, and the op-amp operates as a voltage follower, and that is the output 0 volts follows the input until the Vin is equal to Vref. So when the Vin is greater than Vref is equal to greater than the 0 volts becomes a positive to derive D1 into off. It opens the feedback loop and the op-amp operates the open loop. When the Vin drops below Vref, which is Vin is less than Vref, the output of the op-amp output is again becomes negative to the device D1 into the conduction. It closes feedback path. So yeah, thus the diode D1 is on for Vin less than Vref, and D1 is off for Vin is greater than Vref. So this is the operation of the Clipper circuit. So let's see the circuit of basic half wave rectifier. So yeah, this is the circuit of the basic half wave rectifier. I used OP07 op-amp here, and for the input voltage source, I given a sine wave where I give the 0.1 volt in the input voltage, and I give the 1 kilohertz frequency. I use the precision diode here at the outward side, and I apply the 1 kilohertz frequency for resistor R1, and the voltage source I given a voltage is plus and minus 15 volts. So let's see the output. So yeah, this is the output for 1 kilohertz. Yeah, where for the basic half wave, the output voltage is clipped in a positive cycle, where my output is 99 millivolts approx. So yeah, this is the output for basic half wave for the frequency of 1K. So this is the output waveforms for the different frequencies. This is for the 50 hertz, this for the 500, 1K, 5K, and this is for the 20K. So let's see the another one, modified half wave rectifier. So let's see the circuit in LTSpice. The modified half wave rectifier. So this is the circuit for this. And yeah, the precision diode is in the feedback loop, and I used OP07 and a feedback resistor with RL, which is 1K. Yeah, my R2 is 1K also, and the Vin I give the sine wave. Also the 1.1 volt I given, and the 20 kilohertz for the frequency, and the voltage source I given VCC and V plus and minus 15 volts. So let's check the output first. First of all, let's check the output for the 50 hertz. So I changed the input frequencies here. Yeah. And I changed the transient time. let's say 50 milliseconds. Yeah, so let's check the output. Yeah, so this is the modified half wave rectifier where the output is clipped from the negative half cycle. So this is for the modified circuit. Yeah, and for the different frequencies output waveform, I already performed for 1K, 5K, and 20K. Now let's see the circuit of the full wave rectifier. So let's check on the LT Spice. Yeah, so this is the circuit of full wave rectifier. I used the precision diode for the 1N4148, and I gave the AC source sine. I given the sine wave sine input and 0.1 volt, and I gave the frequency of 1K, and I used two op-amp here, and I gave the voltage source for the VCC VE is plus and minus 15 volts. So let's check the output for this. So yeah, this is the output for the full wave rectifier, where I get the full wave on the positive half cycle. This is for the 1K, and for the another frequencies 50 hertz. This is for the 50 hertz, 500 hertz. This is for 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, and for the 20 kilohertz, my output waveform is clipped like this. So yeah, this is the full wave rectifier. Now let's see the positive clipper first. So first let's see the positive clipper and with positive reference voltage. So this is the circuit where positive clipper of positive Vref. So yeah, I give the input of the sine wave 10 volts, and I give the frequency of 50 hertz. I used a Zener diode here, and yeah, my for the positive Vref, I give the 3.3 volts, and the 50 plus and minus 15 volts for the voltage source. So yeah, this is the output for the positive clipper with the positive Vref, and yeah, which I already performed here. So now let's see the for the negative Vref. Positive clipper with negative Vref. So yeah, where my negative, I applied the voltage negative here for the 3.3 volts, my reference voltage, and all others are same. So yeah, this is for the negative Vref, positive clipper, output waveform. So let's quickly check for the another one. Now let's see the negative clipper with positive Vref. So yeah, where for the negative clipper, I used the precision diode instead of Zener diode, and I applied a 3.3 volts positive, and I applied I given the resistor value 10k. I given a sine wave as an input and 10 volts voltage and the 50 hertz. So let's check the output for this. So yeah, in this negative clipper, positive reference voltage with, I get the positive clip output. So this is for the negative clipper, and the last one is the negative clipper, negative Vref with negative Vref, yeah. So where my reference, I applied the reference voltage minus 3.3, and all the rest of our same. Yeah. So this is the output for the negative clipper and negative Vref, which I already performed. Yeah. So thank you.